Hey everyone, welcome. Getting an account restricted message on the World app. Don't worry, here's how to fix it. So first, check your email inbox linked to your World app account. Often the app sends a message explaining why your account was restricted and any required steps. So common reasons include suspicious activity, violation of terms, or identity verification issues. Next, try logging out and back in or reinstalling the app to refresh your session. If that doesn't work, head to the World App Help Center or support page within the app or on their website. Submit a detailed support ticket, including your username, device info, and a clear explanation of your issue. Be patient. Support teams typically respond within 24 to 72 hours. To speed things up, check for any identity verification requests or update your account info as instructed. And that's how you fix the account restricted error on World app. Like and subscribe for more troubleshooting guides, and of course comment below if you need any help with other issues on the app or account recovery. See you next time.